Yesterday in one of my videos, I think the one I posted in the morning, I gave us some signals right there, and of course so many people made thousands of dollars from that particular signal alone. So today we will be checking out another asset, which is going to be Volatility 100, and of course we will be seeing what we are most likely to get for today's trading activities. If you want more trading activities or trading signals like this, then you may need to join the Telegram channel, because right there I usually post amazing signals right there. And of course guys, I also drop some of my trading tools, information about my trading tools right there on the Telegram platform. Okay, so let's see how we can make more money with this particular asset. This is Volatility 100. However, before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. If you want more content like this, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. And if you have any question at all, kindly drop your questions down there in the comment section. I will be there to reply. So guys, let's move on into what we have for today. Okay, this is Volatility 100. I'm on 5-minute time frame and I'm using the indicator 3M trend milker trading indicator. This particular asset had majorly been on downtrend starting from this resistance zone. Okay, and of course if you should check the higher time frame, you will notice that it has majorly, it is mainly on downtrend. You can see the movement of the chart towards the down. There are pullbacks in between, but it is more of a downtrend movement than an uptrend. Okay, but it got to this particular spot, it had the pullback and bought to this very level and went back again. You can see the trend signals and the sell signals, and it sold below this particular support zone, to get to a new support zone down here. So it has not been able to break out from this new support zone, and it is giving us a buy signal for an uptrend. So it gave us a W pattern around here. As we can see, it gave us a W pattern, so it has, it is buying at the moment, and of course we need it to break out from here. Once it breaks out from here, then definitely we should expect it to buy more. If it does not, then it's not going to buy. Once it breaks out from here, we should expect it to buy more, and this is our first TP if it is buying. That is, if it breaks out from here, go into it and buy, and right here should be our first TP, guys. And of course guys, the second, if it breaks out from here, then we should be checking out somewhere here as our next TP. Okay, so we should take note of that. Okay, so guys, take note of this and use it to milk the market successfully. Okay, now this is very, very important. In case it is unable to break out from this particular base, from this particular resistance zone, okay, it will come back and try out the support zone again, and once it breaks out from here, it will get back to this base. And of course guys, once that happens, then we should know that it will be targeting this next support zone, which is somewhere here. Okay, you will see it on the higher time frame. Okay, that is why I put an highlight on it here. So let me take it down to, up to 15-minute time frame to see. Okay, very good. Okay, you can see it right here. So it should be getting to this level. Okay, it should be getting to this level. Okay, so that is very, very important. That is, if it does not break out above this, then it should come down and get to this, and if it breaks out from here, then it should be getting to this level. Okay, so you guys should take advantage of this market right from here. Okay, so with this particular analysis, you can be making up to $1,000 depending on the capital and the lot size you will be using. I will be stopping right here. If you want more info about this, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.